Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a square website. First, embrace a design philosophy centered on geometric precision and balanced proportions. We will focus on creating a visually cohesive experience where every element contributes to a structured, square aesthetic. This approach ensures your content is presented cleanly and intentionally, guiding the user's eye through a well-organized layout. To achieve a truly square website, begin by establishing a fixed grid layout using CSS Grid or Flexbox. This foundational step allows you to define precise column and row dimensions, ensuring every section aligns perfectly. Consider setting a maximum content width, for example, 1,200 pixels, to maintain a consistent, contained presentation that reinforces the square aesthetic. Making individual elements perfectly square is crucial. A classic method involves using the padding bottom trick with a 100% value on a parent container. For modern browsers, the aspect ratio CSS property offers a simpler, more robust solution. Always ensure your media, like images and videos, fit beautifully within these square containers using Object Fit, Cover, or Contain. Finally, consider the overall design and best practices. Prioritize visual balance and leverage negative space to enhance the square elements. Select typography that harmonizes with the geometric structure, reinforcing the clean aesthetic. Remember to thoroughly test your website on different screen sizes to ensure the square design remains visually consistent and appealing everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.